guys, today we're gonna play Among Us. So, Among Us. Oh, you're such a poor red guy. Kailangan natin 6 na lang. 6 character. Uy, parang gangster ka. Kailangan nating 6. 4 pa lang eh. 2 pa. Waiting for more players. Maghintay muna tayo ng players. Saska color black ka. Oh, sige na nga. Okay. Sino kaya yung impostor? Okay. Scientist ako.
I'm engineer.
Engineer ka? Ako science. Mag-emergency ako. Maybe the red one is the impostor.
I think I'm right. I'm waiting for you.
Please snap my... Lian, vote mo siya, vote. Yeah. Oh, man.
Oy!
Chuchu.
Yung red vote ako.
Oh, alam ko na kung sino yung impostor. Black. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1!
Amber! Kuya! Yung tutong mo!
Ayaw! Jillian, wait. Jillian, ikaw mag-emergency. Aray! Baka ikaw yung impostor ka. Takbo! Yes! Yes! Black is the impostor. Black is impostor. Yes, it's real! Oy! Magbotohan na. Ikaw ang impostor.
Ikaw yung impostor. Mais orange ka. Impostor ka. Mais orange ka. Impostor ka. I'm engineer.
Engineer ka, pretty crew. Ikaw lang yung impostor. Yun!
Uy, na-vote ako!
Binote ka? Ako hindi. Yeah! Bye-bye! Bang!
Let's play.
Okay! Uy! Kasama na naman.
Hintayin
Umalis? Magka-cut ako nito. Ay, ang tagal naman. Sa part 2, bye-bye!